actually looks like it's about to make its way down to this supply zone or demand zone. So I am going to pick up 3 of these. Here, let's actually... A little late on the entry, but yeah, we got our position. And the target is this demand zone down here. So we're up 12%. Again, target's right here. Probably sell out at 2 and all right, we're up 20%. You can drop to the 5-minute. All right, it's making moves, making moves. Come on down. Okay, let's go. Up 41%. This is the target area. Probably sell out a part of my position and kind of see how it reacts in there. It's a waiting game. Love to say it happened like that, but a little patience beats going to work for 8 to 10 hours a day. 12 hours if you're really hustling. Wait. Oh. Really just have to be patient on these trades. It's going the way it's supposed to go though. Still making his way down. Watch, this candle is about to turn red in this last 10 seconds. Three, two. All right, maybe it didn't. It wants blood. It's gonna get there. They're just trying to shake people out. It's in the buy zone now. It may reload. I'll grab one more. Stop loss is like right here. But yeah, now we're down 22. They didn't want to make this easy. It's also a Friday, so the market makers really manipulate the crud out of the market, so. Patience. Requires patience. All right, back down to being down only about, okay, we're back in the green. Oh, back in the red. What can you do? Patience, go in with a plan, follow the plan. Doesn't always go accordingly to plan, but you know, keep your losses minimal and, you know, don't get too greedy. It'll all work out. And don't go in with too much. You see, I'm not trading with too much. Whenever I trade with too much, I get nervous. Like me being down, I think I was down like 20 or 30% for a little bit there. Yeah, that probably would have shook me out, but since it's not that much money, it is what it is. But yeah, look at that. All that's liquidity. They're selling it off. Still in a downtrend right now. Just making this trade last longer than I like. Ooh. All right. Up like 10%. Up 14, 15, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Making moves. Again, it wants to take its time. Like when it's just a nice straight line down, but they're trying to burn the contracts. They don't want me to have as much money. This is taking a lot longer than I expected. I'm gonna end up having to speed this up for y'all. Still trying to play with me. A lot of liquidity. Yeah, the sellers keep selling it off. Sellers are much stronger than the buyers right now. Just staying here. Up 25%. Even if let's get one thing straight. Even if I were to take profits right now, this is still really good profit. Like it takes people, like imagine if you had your whole portfolio in a position. If you had $100,000 and you earned 22% on $100,000, that's an extra $2,000, or that's an extra $22,000. So, hey, it's good money. Imagine you do this every day, or you do this like a few times a week. It's great. Like if you're familiar with my concept of like if you're able to gain, if you start with $50 and you're able to increase that by 10% a week, that ends up being over $6,000 by the end of the year just from $50. So that's like the crazy power of compound interest. And that's one thing. If you're watching my challenge right now, it's kind of been dead for a little bit at the moment, but it's going to be back as of this week. Right now, I'm trying to take 200 and turn it into 26 or 28K by the end of the year, or I got to skydive. I don't want to skydive. So, you know, while we're here in this trade, may as well tell you about that. So yeah, we're sitting here, black 15%, 14%. Yeah, these little base hits every day, they'll get us there. And when I say I'm trying to get it to 28K, this account that you see that's sitting at $400 right now, just under $400. This is the account. We got to take the 28K. I took like 3 months off. So yeah, stick around. Stick around if you want to see that. Watch my trades. And hopefully you learn a thing or two. That's what it's all about. It definitely took me some time to get here on this journey, and you can definitely learn a lot through my mistakes and just watching me trade, watching these candles, watch my demeanor and the way I am through this, and you know, maybe it'll carry over to you. They keep trying to fake me out. They keep trying to burn these contracts. If they do this long enough, it may get to a point where it ends up being better that I took profits in this area than, you know, me taking profits down here. I mean, hopefully they don't drag it out that long, but we will see. I think there are a lot of puts that they're trying to burn, and people they're trying to fake out and get people to sell their puts. So they're going to try to keep popping it up, but there's a lot of selling pressure, so it's going to be hard for them to prop it up. I actually think, I actually, if it came down to it, what I think is going to happen, I think this is probably going to come to fort, like 415, 416 today, but that's not what I'm playing here. I'm playing short, concise moves. It's like it might touch the zone, pop back up maybe to about right here, and then after that, oh, we're getting a move. All right, we're up 30. Let's get some new lows. Okay, new low. Okay, we're up 36. Come on, let's bring another new low in. Let's get below 421. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. Y'all, if y'all haven't realized by now, I'm a little bit weird. I wish I had people to trade with, but also I feel like if I had people to trade with, that would be counterproductive. That's why I'm not like live streaming. I'd be like so concerned about what everyone else is saying. I'd be missing the trade. That's why I gotta have the door closed and like people outside. I gotta tell my wife to get out while I'm trading, and sometimes she'll just wander in here. But let's see. Yeah, it's definitely taking its time trying to get to this zone. But I definitely need to see when it hits this zone, because there's going to be a lot of strength, more than likely. A lot of buyer strength right there at 421. Yeah, it's gonna be a slow trade. It's gonna be fun to edit. I was hoping I wouldn't have to edit this, but yeah, I'm gonna have to speed it up for y'all. All right, and we are down again. And it's like these highs they're progressively lower. I mean, aside from this one, the highs are like progressively getting lower, but they are not trying to make this easy. One thing to pay attention to is the fact that, notice, like, we're getting all these swings where I'm in profit, out of profit, in profit, out of profit. I'll go from, I think the lowest, I think I was 30% down. Dang, my camera is dying. I may not even be able to post this. We'll kind of see how it goes, because yeah, this trade is taking some time. I got like half battery. I don't usually record this long, and this is why. But this is a long trade. So yeah, if this doesn't work out, I guess it'll never see the light of day. I also don't feel like editing this. Yeah, I like this candle. Nice, solid, and red. All right, we're up 14%. Come on, let's take out the lows. Let me extend this a little bit. Definitely trying to play with me right now. Testing my patience. Or if they somehow drag this out to the end of the day, my contracts got burned. So yeah, it's like one thing I may consider is, like, if we come and touch this again, I may just take profits, just because I don't want, when you're trading options, I'm trading dailies right now. I've been in this contract kind of long. I've been recording this almost 30 minutes. So it would be a shame if I went from like highs of 40% to not taking profit at all. But I'll give it a little bit. I'll give it like 2 more candles. 25%. I think we can make a new low. All right, let's make a new low. Come on. So close, so close. All right, we made a new low. Let's see if it continues. This might be the candle. Got like 40 seconds left on this candle. Or it might be the next one. It might be the start of the next one. Might be kind of violent. Oh, if you don't know, I'm about to start traveling. I'm about to leave America for a good amount of time. So honestly, like me even making like $50 in a day, that's gonna go a lot further than it does in America. So this whole year I've been like hustling, working. Like I've been working like slave jobs, like Amazon, stuff like that, like in the warehouses. I recently did like the deliveries and stuff, working the long days and stuff. And like I worked 60 hours a week for probably the first 30 weeks of the year. So that's why I've been real slow on YouTube. I didn't really, I really wasn't getting this whole trading thing earlier. But there comes a time when you need to buckle down and get things in check. And education, just know education will take you there. All right, we're getting close to my target. I'm getting ready to take some profits. All right, we're getting there. I think this is going to run, but let's see. Come on, let's get in there. Get in there. But yeah, it's like if you're able to lower your expenses, like make all your payments and stuff, like you can go overseas and be so wealthy. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over there, live a rich life, not have to work 60 hours a week like crazy like I have been this year, and not been posting here. It's really been killing me. It's like I had something really good going with YouTube and trading and stuff, and I don't know, I got too comfortable. I started working in a Best Buy, and they got, hey, if you're an employee at Best Buy, you get good deals, but if you're an employee at Best Buy, you're probably spending all your money on those good deals. So it may not be the smartest decision. It's like I realize it's better to make money doing this and pay full price, because this you can scale. It's not, in relevance to time. It's in relevance to what you put in and your education and your patience and your psychology. So this is going to be a large file. We're at 32 minutes. Come on. Shoot, if I see it touch like 70, 420 and 70 cents, I'm out. Okay, so that's about 40. Okay, here we come. Okay, we touched in there, so that's about 50%. I'm gonna sell out. All right. Still in one contract. I'm gonna hold that because I think it's gonna come back up and ultimately go to that level I said. But yeah, we took our profits. This position I'm in is like all profit. Even if this goes to zero, I'm still in profit. And yeah, good day. So let me end this, and yeah, if you have any questions or comments about anything, leave them down below in the comments.